What's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And I think this was the most requested video on my channel until now. A lot of friends, a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers, they have been asking me to make this video from a long time. So finally I'm here to do this list, and as you have seen in the title, this is Middle Eastern Cheapies Winter Kit. And in this video I'm going to show you 10 best Middle Eastern cheap perfumes, but cheap in the price only, not in the quality. So don't take them as a cheap juice. They are cheap only in the price. So before I start the countdown, and by the way, this countdown is just for the sake of counting. There is no such thing that number 1 is better than number 10 or something like that. They are all equally good. But before I start the countdown, I want this video to be a tag video. So in the end of my video, I'm going to tag 3 people. I would love to see their pics, and I want them to tag 3 more people. So this thing will keep going on. So let's stop wasting the time and we will start with our countdown. So at number 10, I have Project Black from the house of Paris Corner. And this is a clone of Black Afghano from the house of Nessomato, whatever it is. Sorry, I don't know the right pronunciation for this brand name, pardon me. So Project Black from the house of Paris Corner. This perfume comes in 50 ml quantity, and the price of this perfume is around 25 dirhams in UAE. I have already made a detailed video about this perfume, and I will put a link here so you guys can go and check if you are interested. And the performance of this perfume is something between moderate to long lasting. So this was at number 10, Project Black. At number 9, I have again from the house of Paris Corner, and this time this is from their autobiography series, and the name of the perfume is Paramount. This is a cologne of Paco Rabanne's 1 million, and I have also made one video for this perfume, a detailed video. I will put a link here so you guys can go and check it out if you are interested. So Paramount from the house of Paris Corner from their autobiography series. The same beautiful cinnamon, rose and spices. Performance wise, this perfume is moderate. It's not very long lasting, but it's okay. With this price tag, this is a very good pick. This perfume comes in 50 ml quantity, and the price of this perfume is 35 dirhams. But in 35 dirhams, you are going to get an amazing presentation. The quality of bottle is so nice. This is a polished glass bottle, and it looks very good on your shelf. So at number 9, we have Paramount. And now let's come to number 8. And at number 8, we have a tie. Concept wise, these both fragrances are similar, but scent wise or fragrance wise, they are different. So at number 8, we have again from the house of Paris Corner, Charuto, and another one also from the house of Paris Corner, and this one is Tobacco Rouge. So let me tell you the difference. If we talk about Charuto Tobacco Vanille, this is a cologne of Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille, and here Tobacco Rouge is a cologne of Mancera Red Tobacco. And now I will try to tell you the difference between these two fragrances. So first we will talk about Charuto Tobacco Vanille. Here you will get a mix of tobacco, vanilla and tonka with some spices, but in this perfume tonka is more prominent. Here you will get that dry kind of feel which normally comes from tonka. So here you will get tonka and tobacco more prominent as compared to vanilla. And if we talk about Tobacco Rouge, which is a cologne of Mancera's Red Tobacco, here you will get a combo of tobacco, vanilla and incense. And here vanilla is more prominent. It's more sweeter, and because of incense it got a little bit more depth. I love both of these, but nowadays I'm more into Tobacco Rouge. This I like a little bit more, but this is my own personal taste. You guys can test both of these. And now let me tell you the price. So the price of Charuto Tobacco Vanille is 30 dirham, and it comes in 100 ml quantity. And here the price of Tobacco Rouge is 25 dirham, and this one also comes in 100 ml, and these both are EDP concentrations. So here at number 8 we got Charuto Tobacco Vanille and Tobacco Rouge from Pandora Scents, and both of these fragrances are from the house of Paris Corner. And now let's talk about the performance, and both of these perfumes are long lasting, and I think Tobacco Rouge is a little bit better as compared to Charuto, but you can say both of these are long lasting and they are a value for your bucks. I have already made a detailed video of Charuto Tobacco Vanille. I will put a link here, so if you guys are interested you can go and have a look. At number 7 I have Oud Mood Elixir from the house of Lattafa. You can take this one, or you can also go for a regular Oud Mood. Unfortunately I don't have the regular Oud Mood and I got only this one, so you guys can choose as per your liking. You can go either for a regular Oud Mood, or you can go and pick Oud Mood Elixir. It all depends on your choice and on your taste. And if we talk about the fragrance, here you will get very strong boozy spices, saffron, rose and some woody notes. Even with this perfume I have already made a detailed review and I will put a link on the top. You guys can go and check if interested. This perfume comes in 100 ml quantity and the price of this perfume here in Abu Dhabi is 25 dirhams. Performance wise, this perfume is very long lasting. It's going to stay with you for a very long time, and even the projection is very strong. So no issue in performance. So at number 7 we got Oud Mood Elixir from the house of Lattafa. At number 6 we have once again a perfume from the house of Paris Corner, and this is African Leopard. And this is a clone of African Leather from the house of Mimo Paris. And if I talk about the fragrance, this is such a beautiful fragrance. Here you will get, of course, leather with sweet cardamom, a little bit of cumin and saffron. I have already made a detailed review about this perfume. I will put a link on the top so you guys can go and check if you are interested. And if we talk about performance, this is a long-lasting perfume. It's going to give you from 6 to 7 hours, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, you can go and check the video for proper details. And here this perfume comes in 120 ml. And the price of this perfume at Paris Corner is 40 dirham, 40 AED. So in 40 dirham you will get 120 ml of very good quality juice. So at number 6 we got African Leopard from the house of Paris Corner. So now we are at number 5, and at number 5 I have one of my very favorite, and this is Hardcore Wood, and this is a clone of Ajmal's Hardcore Wood, and Hardcore Wood is from the house of Fragrance World. This is such a gorgeous fragrance, and here you will get Hardcore lemons, vetiver, rose, woody notes, saffron, woods and sandalwood. I have already made a detailed video about this product. I will put a link here on the top so you can go and check if you are interested. Performance wise, this is a very good performer and it lies in the category of long lasting. If we talk about the price, you will get 100 ml of this beautiful juice in the price of around 40 dirham. So at number 5, Hardcore Wood from the house of Fragrance World. And now let's talk about number 4, and I have to tell you something, that all these perfumes are good, but somehow the perfumes in top 5, they are somehow better in quality, in scent, in fragrance, in everything. So you can consider like the top 5, they are somehow a little bit better as compared to others. Yeah, I know this statement of mine is contradicting with my previous statement, but yeah, for me I think I like these 5 more than the others. So now let's talk about number 4. At number 4 I have a perfume from the house of Lattafa. It's again a very famous one. A lot of people have already talked about it. It's already got a lot of love from the community, and here I'm talking about Rugba Wood Intense from the house of Lattafa. So here if we talk about the scent profile, beautiful, you will get that burnt sugar kind of effect, and then you will get some kike wood, some woody note, a little bit hints of oud maybe, and a beautiful amber and incense. a beautiful scent, a beautiful scent. This is something you should not miss. So if you are missing this beauty, go grab a bottle for yourself. So here at number 4, Rugba Wood Intense from the house of Latafa. And if we talk about performance, this is a very long lasting perfume. It's going to stay with you for a long time. And let's talk about the price. And this perfume comes in 100 ml, and the price here in Abu Dhabi, or at least the price I paid here in Abu Dhabi, was 25 dirham. So in 25 dirham you cannot get anything better than this. This is so gorgeous, so beautiful. And even for this perfume I have already made a detailed video. I will put a link on the top so you can go and have a look. So at number 4, Rugba Wood Intense from the house of Latafa. Okay, so now number 3. And at number 3, once again, a very famous and well-known fragrance from the community, and I'm sure 90% of you guys have already know about it. So let's break the suspense and let me show you the fragrance. And at number 3 we have Midnight Oud from the house of Ard Al Zafran. This is a very famous clone for Amwat's Interlude Man, and if we talk about the fragrance, this is such a beauty. You will get bergamot, incense, some woody notes, opoponax, olibanum, labdanum and spices. I have also made a detailed video about this fragrance. I will put a link on the top so you can go and have a look if you are interested. So here Midnight Oud, and if we talk about the performance, this is a long lasting perfume. It's not very long lasting, but I can say it's a long lasting perfume, and a projection is good, and you will get this 100 ml juice for 25 dirham, or at least I have paid 25 UAE dirhams for this beauty. So at number 3 we had Midnight Oud from the house of Ard Al Zafran. So now at number 2, and once again at number 2 I have a very famous fragrance, very famous in the community, and all those fragrance lovers out there, they have already know about it. And this fragrance once again is from the house of Ard Al Zafran, and here I am talking about none other than Oudi from the house of Ard Al Zafran at number 2. This is a clone of Oud Maknoon from the house of Swiss Arabia, or you can say, if you have heard of Shea Oud from the house of Fasik Dukun, or if you like, I can say Shuhra from the house of Rasasi, but there are some differences between Shuhra and this. I have made a detailed comparison video, and I will put a link here on the top. You guys can go and check. In that video I will cover the fragrances and then the differences between these two, I mean between Shura and Oudi. So please go and have a look if you are interested in this fragrance. Here this is again a very fine work from the house of Ard Al Zafran, and smell wise you will get a lot of animalic notes in the opening, and then there is rose, there are some dry fruit kind of feel, there is a lot of woody notes. You will also get patchouli and some nuances of oud in the base. So this is Oudi from the house of Ard Al Zafran. And if we talk about the performance, this is very long lasting. It's going to give you a longevity of more than 1 day, and it projects like a beast. Performance, no issue here. I think this is the strongest in the whole list, you know. I love this fragrance. This is very good and a gem for winters. If we talk about the price, this perfume comes in, I think, 100 ml. Yeah, it's 100 ml, and the price I paid for this beauty was only 25 UAE dirhams. That's amazing. Sometimes these people they shock me, and sometimes I think how they can do such beautiful and good quality fragrances in such a cheap prices. So at number 2 we have Oudi from the house of Ard Al Zafran. So finally we are at number 1, and the fragrance I have at number 1 is again gorgeous. It's a beauty. It's very beautiful fragrance, and I am in deep love with this fragrance nowadays. This fragrance is from the house of Fragrance World, and I think this is one of their finest. Until now, the fragrances which I have tested, Between them, this is the best which I have smelled. So here at number 1 I have Green Sapphire from the house of Fragrance World. I haven't done a video or review about this beautiful perfume, but I have already planned a full detailed review in the coming week, because this fragrance deserves that. This fragrance deserves to have a separate detailed video. So in my upcoming review I am going to tell you the inspiration of this fragrance, and I will give you a complete notes breakdown and we will review it in detail. For now I can tell you that this is, wow, such a beautiful fragrance. Here you will get incense, spices, myrrh, olibanum, cardamom and cedar. These are the few notes for now, and I will make a detailed review next week. So at number 1 I have Green Sapphire, a very beautiful fragrance. And if I talk about performance, this is a long-lasting perfume. Projection wise, very great. It projects like a beast for the first few hours. We will talk about it in the coming review. So for now, at number 1 we have Green Sapphire from the house of Fragrance World. Okay, so finally we are done with the countdown. So these were my picks for Middle Eastern Cheapies Winter Kit 2020. I hope you like the 10 fragrances, and now it's time to tag few people. So at number 1, the person which I want to tag is Brother Nixon. He got a very informative and nice channel, and he is also living in Dubai, and he is also into Middle Eastern fragrances, and he is doing a great job. You should go and visit his channel, and I'm sure you will get very nice and good content there. The name of his channel is Smelly Cat. I will put a link in the description. So at number 1 I would like to tag Smelly Cat by Brother Nixon. Now at number 2 I would like to tag Brother Jamil. He also got a channel with the name of Fragrance Jam. Very nice and humble guy. Please go and check his videos. He's doing a good job. I hope you will find very good and nice content there, and you will learn something. So this was number 2, and at number 3, Brother Barry from UK, and the name of his channel is Sensualize, and this guy is very consistent in uploading videos, and he's bringing a lot of hidden gems. So if you are interested in economical and low cost hidden gems kind of perfumes, go and check his channel. Brother Barry is doing a very good job, very nice and great content. So I will put the links to all these 3 channels in the description box. You guys can go and have a look. So this was my video for today, Middle Eastern Cheapies Winter Kit 2020. I hope you liked it, and until the next video, take care. Bye.